Okay, so Mass just ended, and it's time for me to go feed the sheep. It's a little dark over here, but I just finished putting the music up. And this is my last day to have to feed the sheep, and I can get back to my regular schedule. Notice this nifty little thing that someone has gotten. I thought it was some type of coffee thing, and I was like, oh, who left that there? But then I saw the cross, so it's automatic holy water. It's a needed thing, I guess. You have a friend now. Hope you're happy. You've seen this before, but oh, look. Here comes my little lammer. Hey, you enjoying the snow this morning? Hey. I don't see anybody stuck in there today. Hey, you all. Hello. Something going on, donkey? Don't like all the snow? I know. You're anti-snow. Come on. Check. There you go. It's a little bit frozen this morning. Oh. It's just fine. All right. Well, that's the usual routine. Hey, Gloria. No grain this morning. Yeah. So I usually run down right after Mass, just to replenish the hay and everything, and then break the ice, and then I'll usually fill it up. But Father Columbo's coming back, who usually does that, and I can get back to my usual morning routine. It's a beautiful morning. I'm just heading back to get my breakfast cooked and then head off to pick Father Columbo up. So anyway, God bless. I'm gonna head on out.